Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the phone has enough power and you know the screen lock method, because safe mode disables third-party apps and may change behavior. Now press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. This is the first actionable step. Once the menu is visible, tap and hold power off until reboot to safe mode prompt appears. If you don't see it, make sure you're pressing firmly and try again. This step tells the system you want to change boot mode. Once done, to get out of safe mode, you will use a normal restart because Xiaomi typically toggles safe mode through the boot process. Tap Restart on the power menu and confirm if Android asks to exit safe mode. This forces a regular boot with third-party apps enabled. Make sure to wait 2 to 3 minutes for services and apps to reinitialize. Impatience can make you think it failed. If the device returns to safe mode, proceed to the next detailed troubleshooting step. If safe mode still appears, check why. Stuck volume buttons during boot force safe mode, so press and release both volumes firmly and reboot. This often fixes it. You should also uninstall recently installed apps or clear the cache partition to remove troublesome software that triggers safe mode. If none of that works, backup data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes persistent configuration issues. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode returns, inspect the case and buttons for debris or damage first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.